Now that I have shown you how to create a dashboard within Sugar, and we've looked at how to change the names of modules, rearrange modules, and hide modules that don't apply to you, it's time to dig into these modules in a little bit more detail. Before looking at a specific record, we will look at the list view. Every module within Sugar has the list view available, where if you click on a specific module, we'll start with accounts, it will show a list of all of the accounts that you have within your Sugar that you have access to. From here, we can also create filters to group information together based on the fields that you've created within Sugar. So I'll create a filter, and here is a list of all of the fields that I can filter on. You have complete control over all of these fields that you can filter on as an admin within Sugar Studio. So for the sake of building a filter here, I'm going to show a list of all of our accounts where the status is any of customer. I'm going to create another filter to show me a list of all of our customers that are in the top 40 accounts. And all of the top 40 accounts that are in a specific city, we are going to pick Philadelphia. And here is a list of all of my top 40 customers in Philadelphia. I can easily save this filter and come back in here, and I can use this filter over and over again. As you can see, I have a bunch of filters already saved for my Boston accounts, my accounts that haven't ordered in 30 days or I haven't called within 30 days. So you can easily toggle between them. When I have the list of accounts here that I want, I can select the list of them and I can take a bunch of actions. For example, I can send an email to all of these accounts. I can mass update them. Maybe I need to change their account health back to green because they're happy. I can easily update that there. I can add them to a target list for a campaign. I can merge them together, delete them, and export them out to CSV or Excel. Also worth noting that all of the fields that you see within this list view, the end user has the ability to move these around, pick and choose what fields are going to be displayed, and you can even edit within the line within Sugar. So if I wanted to change this account health right here back to green, I could do that very quickly and save it. Okay. The account list view is very common to be used when you're in an account management role. You want to pull up a list of all of your liked customers, but also the opportunities module can be used for your sales pipeline calls. So you could pull up a list of all of your opportunities where the close date is equal to next month. Or we could pull up a list of all of the opportunities where the sales stage is any of the following. So any of those that are at the agreement send stage. Okay. And here would be a list of all of those that meet that criteria. Again, you can make edits within this line. You can change agreement sent back to request agreements and save it. You can also preview a record on the right by clicking on that eyeball. And then this will give you the ability to hit the pencil and change the close date right within that preview pane on the right and resave it. You can also make any of these list views available on your home dashboard. So if I come back here to my home dashboard, you will see that I have a list view available to me already that shows the accounts with no calls in the last 30 days, which I can then click on any of these fields and sort based on that. To show you how to add a list view to your home dashboard, I am going to edit this dashboard. I'll scroll to the bottom and I'll add a new column, add a Sugar dashlet. I will select the list view here. And within the list view, this is where I just select which module that I want to see, what fields that I want to be made available to me, how many rows I want to display, how often I want this to update, and I can then select my filter here. So maybe I want to see all of those top 40 customers in Philly. I can rename this to my Philly top 40 accounts, save this, and it is going to show me that list view right here on my home screen. So it is the first thing that you see when I log in. Thank you. I hope this was helpful.